Selling your home is an exciting time, but sometimes the stories that we tell ourselves can get in the way of our end goal, a successful sale for a great price. Here are 5 of the stories that can get in the way and the rebuttals that can help you get the deal done. I watch a lot of HGTV. I think I can get a better price selling it myself for sale by owner. How hard can it be? Would you practice oral surgery after watching a few YouTube videos? Or would you look for a licensed and insured expert to save you from a toothache? Selling a home is complicated, and working with an experienced and knowledgeable real estate professional gives you the benefit of a legal and technical guide through completing the process quickly, safely, and according to NAR's 2018 stats, the average price of a for sale by owner property was $80,000 less than the average property represented by a realtor. That's an expensive toothache. My house is just as nice as that one. It should command the same price. It's hard to keep perspective on our own properties. After all, they're not just a house, but a home. Your agent can help you understand your place in the market with an up-to-date look at the prices comparative properties are commanding in your locality, and factors you may not have considered, like days on market, inclusions, exclusions, seller's assists, really the inside scoop on how properties are performing. This wallpaper has universal appeal. It's expensive, but I'm gonna get it. It's gonna lead to a better offering price. Taste can be pretty specific. In general terms, decluttering, cleaning, and neutralizing your space can be solid tactics for universal appeal. Before you spend money on redecorating, your agent can help you with suggestions for experts to work with in terms of staging, decorating, or just getting a jump on the packing to make your home appear more spacious. Everybody loves Fluffy and Bruno, so I'll just leave them in the bedroom during the showing or the open house. While Fluffy and Bruno are great family pets, they aren't an inclusion in your listing. So they and prospective buyers would probably be happier if they were boarded or maybe just on a walk during showings so they don't distract from the features of your home. My neighbor's house sold in a week. I'm not taking that under asking price offer. I'm not even dignifying it with a response. While it's certainly a seller's prerogative to accept, counter, or refuse an offer, let's talk through the options. Responding in some way keeps the lines of communication open and gets you closer to your end goal, a home sold. If you'd like to see more content like this, give us a like on YouTube. Feel free to share this with your sellers or anyone else who could use it. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss new content. Thanks for watching.